So today I want to begin by sharing some different helpful ways to self-study writing. Okay, so let's talk about 3 ways to self-study writing. First, keep a journal. And we'll talk about each of these in detail. So keep a journal, use English writing prompts. We'll talk about what that is, and write a summary. So let's go through these 3 self-study skills or self-study methods. So first is to keep a journal. So unfortunately, no journal around me. So a journal is like a notebook that we write our thoughts in. So in a journal, you can write about the events of your day. You can write about your thoughts and feelings. This will help you express yourself. So it might not be something that you have normally done or that you have done before, but if you keep a journal in English, this is an excellent way to practice writing about your life, right? And all of our study skills are connected. So if you practice writing about your day and writing about your thoughts, your feelings, your opinions in English every day or very often, then it will help your speaking too, right? So you become more skilled at talking about whatever it is you want to write about. So for me, if I try to keep a journal in another language, I write about what I am comfortable writing about, but try to challenge myself a little. So let's say I want to write about, where's my mouse? There we go, the events of my day. So let's say I am studying English and I know how to talk about simple things like I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I ate breakfast, some simple things there. So I can also challenge myself. What does this mean? Well, maybe I did something and I don't know how to say it in English. Keeping a journal is the perfect time to look up new words, use them to talk about your day, and expand your vocabulary, improve your writing, and improve your speaking and confidence. Okay? So, keeping a journal, excellent, excellent way to practice your writing. And something you can see over time, your skill will improve, right? So also make sure to try and write as long as you can, as much detail as you can. So not just 2 sentences, right? It is hard to talk about our day in just 2 sentences. So maybe try 10 sentences or more, okay? So keep a journal. Our next self-study writing method is use English writing prompts. So what is a writing prompt? A writing prompt is a sentence or a question that we read and then write about that thing. So, for example, a writing prompt might say something like, tell me what music you like. And there you go. Okay, that's the topic I will write about. So, English writing topics. Okay. You can use Google or any search engine to look up English writing prompts. There are so many, and just choose one a day. This will help you to learn to write about many different topics. And again, make sure to use your phone or your computer to translate. Use a dictionary. Use tools to help you learn the words and phrases you need to write about these many different topics. So here's an example. I just searched English writing prompts. So let's take a look at some that would be easy, or at least good starting questions to write about. Maybe could be difficult, could be easy. So, your favorite childhood vacation. Wow. So, that one topic you could write so much about, right? You could write about your favorite teacher, right? Describe them, what they are like in writing. So many things you could talk about. Write about your first job, right? So there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these kinds of questions out there. So all you have to do is search for them and then write about them each day. Okay? Okay, so the next way we can self study writing is to write a summary. So, a summary, let's talk about what that means first. A summary is like, let's say I have a long, long, long story or a long movie or something long, and I want to tell you just the most important information about that thing. Let's say I watched a great movie and my friend asks me, what was the movie about? Well, I'm not going to tell them the whole story, right? Maybe just the most important information. So if someone asked me what happened in the Avengers Endgame movie, I could say something like, oh, they all came together to fight Thanos. In the end, well, I don't want to ruin it for you if you haven't seen it, but I would just give some simple information, right? This is a great way to learn how to talk about big ideas in a short way. Sometimes when we are trying to express ourselves in another language, maybe there are so many things we're thinking about and so many things we want to say, it can be hard to just say what we need to say, right? So practicing writing again helps our speaking too. You can write summaries about anything you like. Okay, so this is always important. Write about what you like, right? Anytime you self study, you should enjoy it. So you can write summaries about movies, books, TV shows, things happening in the news, and so on. Anything that you like. Okay, so remember, writing a summary, keeping a journal, and using English writing prompts are all excellent ways to self study writing.